Hello, I'm Dr. J and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to write topic sentences. How to write topic sentences. As you know, this is essay writing course and in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students, in general for any type of English essay, university or college essays or any English language exam essay. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them and subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my essay writing course. First of all, I have covered all the four assessment criteria, what the examiner would like to see in your essay. Then time management, how to plan essay, generate ideas, paraphrasing, how to write introductions, conclusions, topic sentences, types of essay, thesis statement, and many more videos. I have covered all of these 8 essay types in my course, and there are more than 15 model essays in my course. I would explain you step by step. Topic sentence. What is a topic sentence? This tells the reader what is your main topic of the paragraph. What you are going to discuss in this paragraph. Don't give too many details in the topic sentence. The details, examples, reasons, explanations would come after the topic sentence. These things are there to expand the topic in the body paragraph. These things are there to expand your topic in the body paragraph. First of all, you have to give an overview of your body paragraph. This is topic sentence. We can say a topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. A topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph. In simple words, topic sentence is like headlines in a newspaper. They give us an overview of the news. Okay. Let me explain another point here. You write a topic sentence and then you need to make it clear to the reader about that point. As I told, this is just like news headlines. To achieve higher marks in task achievement, one of the main reasons why students get stuck at a lower band scores, then you need to remain focused on that point. When you give headlines of news, a topic sentence, when you explain it, you need to remain focused on that point. We cannot discuss any other irrelevant topic or idea. For example, a news headlines is about COVID-19 pandemic, and then in details you start talking about terrorism. It means you are going off topic and this is irrelevant. So you will lose marks in task achievement. So it is very important to write to the point, to give topic sentence in the headline, give a topic sentence and then write relevant, then explain relevant ideas. One paragraph should be about one main topic. For example, one main topic, a paragraph could be the advantages of something, and for disadvantages start a new paragraph. Our topic sentence should be general, not give details in your topic sentence. Your topic sentence should be general. Don't give too many details, too much details in the topic sentence. Keep your details for the extension, for the explanation of the body paragraph. How to explain the topic sentence. Let us look at this example. Some people believe that every human being can create art, for example, poetry, music, paintings. Other people think that art can only be created by people born with a special ability, with a special talent, with a special ability. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Topic sentences, body paragraph 1. These are topic sentences. For body paragraph 1, On the one hand, it could be claimed that art can be easily created by everyone. This is my first paragraph. I would explain that art can be created by everyone. Every human being has ability, is able to create art. This is my first body paragraph, and then I would extend, explain, and give reasons to for details of this topic sentence. And the second topic sentence is in the second body paragraph. First topic sentence, however, I side with those. Here I am giving my own opinion also. However, I side with those who argue that natural talent is prerequisite, is obligatory, is a condition, is prerequisite to be able to create an excellent work of art. So I'm just giving an overview of my body paragraph, that in this body paragraph I would talk about that every a human being that have natural talent, they can create a work of art, good work of art, masterpiece. So in this I am in the first body paragraph I am talking about everyone can create a work of art, but in second I am talking about that only those people can create a good work of art who have natural talent. I would write more than 15 model essays in my writing course, and would let you know how to write topic sentences in each of the in each of them, in each for each type of essay, and for each essay, okay, each of my model essays. One thing I would suggest you, I would recommend you that after watching my complete course you would be able to write good essays, but never take a risk uh, in taking your exam before getting feedback from IELTS expert. Get your uh, get feedback from any IELTS expert before going to the exam. It is my suggestion, my recommendation, and don't underestimate my recommendation, because you should invest money on your preparation instead of wasting money on taking the exam again and again. Dr. Che Writing Correction Service. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would hire an IELTS expert from UK, a native English IELTS teacher. We would both work together to provide you an advanced, comprehensive, and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID, this one. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for updates and for more details. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And subscribe to my channel and press bell icon, this one, press bell icon, to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening, and reading also. Thank you very much.